Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this beautiful glam look on a budget. So, to get this look, you don't need to buy expensive products first of all. You just need a good base, and how you can get that I will tell you in this video. And I'm gonna be using Sugar Cosmetics and Maybelline products. So I'm gonna focus mostly on the base and how you can get your makeup transfer proof, because we all wear masks in these days. You can make your base skin light, breathable, and very smooth. If you wanna know how I get this beautiful glam look on a budget, so please let's jump into the video. First thing is, it's very go to everyday makeup look, and if you are a kind of person who wears makeup every single day for whatever reason, so I feel like this could be your range. And seriously, I love Maybelline products. First product is foundation, matte plus poreless foundation from Maybelline, and the shade is 128. This is first layer of foundation. I applied so little and blended out. You wear every day, like I said, go to everyday makeup. So you don't need a heavy duty foundation because it's going to clog your pores. So I freaking love the finish. I feel like it's give a very natural finish. Some of you are very confused that how we can choose our foundation shade. So I made a reel on my Insta and the username is given on my screen, so you can check this out. Sure, that video will gonna help you. Moving on to concealer, I know most of you get confused how to choose the correct shade, but I must say choose that shade which is closest to your foundation. I always used to pick medium shade because I feel like I'm that sort of skin tone, and any foundation shade or concealer I go for medium. So I have two concealer right here from Maybelline. So you can see the difference, guys, right? So this concealer shade is used to conceal the darkness, and this concealer shade is used to brighten up your under eye area or wherever you want to brighten up. It's up to you. So about this concealer, it's super lightweight. It's not one of those concealer which gives heavy duty underneath your eye. And this is the concealer you go to. I highly recommend this concealer because it doesn't look that you're wearing makeup. Then I'm go on with this 15 Fair shade to brighten up my under eye area. So my base is ready now, and I'm gonna show you how you can set your under eye area and your face, because we wear masks nowadays and it's very important to know how you can set your base very well so that it doesn't transfer your makeup on the mask. I'm gonna take Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light. So my Damp Beauty sponge, it's not drenching wet, it's damp, and I'm going to pick it up and place it. Like this. That is it. So now for your entire face, you can use brush or sponge. I'm taking this sponge to set my entire face. This is the key to long wearing makeup, guys. Stamp it very well. So this is the complete base, guys. Look out how smooth it looks, and I freaking love this base. So for my eyes, I pick up this shade. Turned out, it's so pretty. So moving on to blush, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics blush. So I'm picking my favorite highlighter. This is Maybelline New York Master Chrome Highlighter. It's so stunning. It's like gold. It's blinding, seriously. The base is just killing it, guys. You need a good base. For lipstick, I'm using this shade from Maybelline. I love the color of this shade. If you are a little bit on the oilier side, then you have to do is just take your beauty sponge, dunk your beauty sponge into the loose powder and put it on your jawline. So yeah, yeah, it's mask test time. You can see, guys. So yeah, that is it. You only need is to set your base very well so that your makeup will last whole day, and don't touch your face. So yeah, this is all I have for you guys. I hope you learned something new in this video, and I love you guys, you know that. I will see you in my next video.